Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up a Ford Focus. First, ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface. Always engage the parking brake completely. For added safety, place wheel chocks behind the tires that will remain on the ground. Before lifting, always refer to your Ford Focus owner's manual to confirm the exact jack points. This preparation is crucial for a secure and successful lift. Your Ford Focus has specific, reinforced areas designed for jacking. At the front, look for the pinch welds just behind the front wheels. Similarly, the rear jack points are located along the pinch welds, directly in front of the rear wheels. Always position your floor jack on these strong, reinforced frame sections. Avoid placing the jack on any suspension components, the exhaust system, or the oil pan to prevent damage. Once you have identified the correct jack point, carefully position your floor jack directly underneath it. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, ensuring it lifts evenly. Continue lifting until the tire you are working on is a few inches off the ground. Immediately place two sturdy jack stands under the vehicle's reinforced frame rails, adjacent to your jack. Then, gently lower the car until it rests securely on the jack stands. When you are ready to lower your Ford Focus, use the floor jack to slightly raise the vehicle again, just enough to take the weight off the jack stands. Carefully remove both jack stands from beneath the car. Now, slowly and steadily lower the vehicle all the way to the ground. Once the car is fully down, remove your floor jack and finally, retrieve the wheel chocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.